Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to accessibility. From here go to advanced settings and then go to flash notification. Now from here you can enable flash notification. Here you can see two types of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. If you turn on camera flash notification and then tap on preview, now you can see the camera flash is flashing. And now if you enable screen flash notification and then tap on preview, now you can see the screen is flashing. Also if you tap here, from here you can change your screen flash notification color. If I select red color and then tap on done, then tap on preview, and it's changed. And that is how you can turn on or turn off flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.